How to add MP3 music to DaVinci Resolve 20. So first you want to open up DaVinci Resolve and then click on Cut right here, and then click on Media Pool, and then right click in this empty space and click on Import Media. And now you will simply need to find the audio track or the MP3 file that you want to add. So for example, this one right here, select it and then click on Open. You can also select multiple files. Now, in order to use this audio file, you can simply select it like this and then press with the left mouse and hold down while dragging. And then you should drag it over to the timeline and drop it here. And before doing so, make sure you are in the Edit tab like this. Now open up the media pool again, click on the file, click and hold down and then drag it to the timeline. Now once you drop it here, you will notice two tracks, one for the video and one for the audio. The audio is the green one, which you can expand like this or shrink. You can also modify settings, the volume, the pan, and all of that stuff, the pitch. You can also drag it to play on specific parts of your video if you have a video imported. And the second way to do this simply is to basically open up the folder where your MP3 or audio files are and shrink it a little bit so that you can see the other window, and then simply click, hold down and drag over to the timeline directly without importing, and it should be imported automatically. Then you can start using it on your edits, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.